construct again.
Yes.
So what we're going to do is to construct a diameter. Let's call it AD, diameter AD. We don't have D, agree?
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll construct a diameter AD. I'm being specific, it's a diameter, agree this thing?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're going to construct a diameter AD. So we are done with the diameter. Okay?
Yes.
And then after that, I am going to join. Again, I'm looking for angle C. If I was looking for angle B, I will join D and B. Because I'm looking for angle C, I am going to join D and C. Like this.
Yes.
So we're going to join D and C. Again, we constructed a diameter AD first. Again.
Yes.
And then we'll get 1 mark for the construction arm. And then to make things simple here, we'll come and name our angles here so that it becomes simple when we're busy with this thing. I'll call this one 1, and then I'll call this one 2. And then look at this. You are going to name your angles away from the construction. Agree? The construction is this side.
Yes.
So I don't name this angle. I don't name this one and this one. I name the ones away from the construction. So I have 1 here and then I have 2 here. And then I'm also going to name this one here angle C. Angle C is going to be angle C1, and then this one here is going to be C2.
Yes.
Okay, I got a mark for the construction again.
Yes.
Now I'm going to then prove this theorem. How do we prove this theorem? We are going to start by saying the following. We're going to tell them what is C1 plus C2. What is the size of C1 plus C2?
Isn't it 90?
It's 90 degrees. Okay, but now what is the reason behind it?
Angle in half a circle. Angle subtended.
So this is going to be an angle in half a circle again. And then they will give me a mark for saying this.
Yes.
Are you still fine?
Yes.
Okay, the next thing that I'm going to tell them about this angle here.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to tell them which A1 plus A2. What is A1 plus A2?
It's 90.
It's 90 degrees again. Okay, why is it 90 degrees?
Tan perpendicular to radius, to the diameter.
Tan perpendicular to what? To a radius.
Radian.
You still fine?
Yes.
Okay. Now that you have said this, again, you see, which again we are looking for this angle here. We are looking for A2. We are supposed to prove that A2 is equal to C1 again.
Yes.
And then we did our construction, and then after doing our construction, we get the 90. So 90 number 1, 90 number 2. What then do we do after that? We are going to tell them about this angle here. Let's check this angle here, C2. Who's creating C2?
It's DB.
Okay, angle C2 is going to be equaling to, is there any other person created subtended by DB?
No.
Look at this angle here. Who's creating? Is what?
Oh, yeah.
A1 again.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we can say A1. Now, why am I saying these two angles are going to be equal? C2 and A1 are equal.
Angles in the same segment.
So these are going to be angles in same sec. And then again, I get a mark. Again, I get a mark. So far, I have 4 marks. Again, 1 mark for construction. And then the next thing that I'm going to tell them is that it means this person and this person are equal because both of them are equaling to 90. Would you agree with me?
Yes.
It means I can say, but now C1 plus C2 is going to be equaling to A1 plus A2. And then because both of them are equaling to what? 90 degrees.
To 9.
Sure. But remember, what did we say here?
We know that C2 is equaling to A1. So
C2 is equaling to A1.
Yes.
Yeah, C2 is equaling to A1. Because C2 is equaling to A1, then we can then say let's replace we can either decide to change this one and make it to be C2 again.
Yes.
Okay, let's do that then. So if we make this one to be C2, it means we are going to have C1 plus C2 is going to be equaling to C2, we change this A1 and then we make it to be C2 again.
Yes. Yes.
Plus
Plus
A2 again.
A2. Yes.
And then it means, in other words, we can say Mara C2 and C2, they are going to cancel each other out. Again, if we take this one to this other side, it's going to become what?
Yes.
Yeah, and then
Zero.
it means, yeah, and then it means which is C1 is going to be equivalent to what? To A2 again.
A2.
Yeah,
Yes.
which means that's what we're trying to prove. Remember, we're trying to prove which is this angle here, which is BAT again.
BAT.
It's
Yes.
A2. Can you see
Is
BAT?
equal
It's A2 again.
Right.
It's
Yes.
equivalent to angle
C.
angle C again.
C.
And then what is C? It's
Yes.
C1 again.
Yes.
Yeah, we managed to prove which is C is going to be equivalent to what? To A2. Therefore, it means which we can make a conclusion to say BAT is going to be equivalent to angle C.